Maryam is representing the School of Electronic, Electrical and Computer Engineering this afternoon. And the title of her talk is Towards Better Automated Phone Systems, Modelling Accents for Automatic Speech Recognition.
I want you to remember all those times you had to use an automated phone system. How was your experience? How did you feel? I bet you felt frustrated by the number of times you had to repeat what you said over and over again. Even then, you might have been transferred to the wrong department. When all that is over, you have to wait in a long queue, listening to a repetitive song and a voice that says, "Your call is extremely important to us. We will assist you as soon as the next agent is available." Despite all this frustration that we go through, using these speech-enabled automated phone systems rather than the traditional touch-tone ones will save an average call center up to £3 million annually. By 2017, this industry could be worth up to £2 billion. After all, there seems to be no way to avoid these speech-enabled voice jails. But why can't these systems understand what we say to them? Because they are not as clever as humans. They cannot adapt to the new speaker's accent. In fact, a few months ago, Birmingham City Council has spent £11 million on an automated phone system that sadly couldn't work with the local's accent. The goal of my PhD is to solve this using an accent-robust automatic speech recognition system. So I have this massive database of recorded speech from people with different regional accents. When an unknown speaker talks to my system, it recognizes their accent. It then selects the data from other speakers with similar accent in order to create a more personalized model of their speech. Using this will improve the performance of my system incredibly. In fact, the error rate will be reduced by up to 50% for some difficult accents, such as Glaswegian. The end result of this is that customers will have more productive time to use during their day instead of waiting in call center queues, and companies will have fewer number of angry customers. In the next stage of my PhD, I would like to address the issues faced by minorities, such as children, elderly, and people with a speech disorder. Thank you.